Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. Other vlogs, they weren't the best, and I had some music over some of it because it would have gotten really boring from the start. In some parts because certain parts needed to be that way in a lot of senses. But right now, what I'm doing is I am in one of the what's it called? I'm in one of the many local parks near my area, and this is a place I actually run a lot. Some people that live in this area will actually know where I am. But here we are. But it's really, really nice. And we're gonna go up a trail today. Decided to go for a quick run, quick walk, and chat in general. So, very nice. Really nice trees. See in the background. We're almost there, but if you want to know, these are my shoes I'm wearing. If you look very carefully, there is black tape on the shoes. There's a reason for that, and it's actually very much new shoes. I don't really need to put tape on it, but there's a reason being I had tape on it, and I'm too lazy to actually take it off. The reason being is because I did this for a performance. I was in one of the dance performances last semester. Yeah, last semester. And they told us to get black shoes, but not everybody could get black shoes, so you had to tape over anything that was white. And some people actually decided not to do it at all, but I was one of those people that already said, okay, you know what, I already taped it, I might as well tape the whole entire thing. And I've since decided to keep it on. So that's the reason why. Alright. Time to move over a little bit more. And we're almost there. But I will give you a little shot of this. A lot of greenery. And we've got two churches that are near me right now. There's some good footage of some birds. If you guys can see that, probably not, because sometimes the exposure tends to mess up. A bit too much sun. Some people that are connected to my Instagram would probably have seen some of the pictures I took when it came to going to that run. So you'll definitely be able to see those in better quality this time around for this vlog. It shows a lot of a specific part of Northern California, and my area is pretty far from here in a way, but yeah. So, oh gosh, darn it. Why did I just choose to go there? I've got to be careful. I would have used a lot more, much more speed and whatnot to get through that, but I was like, no, I don't get my shoes money. Alright, so, yeah. just a little bit of some greenery, if anybody likes greenery. We've got some pine needle trees. We've got some, forget, some of these might be oak or redwood trees. But I'm not for sure. Okay. Looks like because they got too tall, they had to cut these down. Kind of sucks in a way, though. I guess that'll be used for the playground, possibly. All right, time to get into the run. More greenery, more things to look at. Very aesthetic-like and looking. Oh man, it's a little bit musty. A little bit too musty than it usually is. Mostly because it's rained. I'm just gonna first walk through it, then I'm gonna run it. Although you won't see that because let's just say it's gonna be a little bit hard for it to handle okay, now I'm calling this computer the camera. But here is some of the look of some of the road that I'm going to be running. Some of it will be muddy, some of it won't be muddy. Alright, I think I'm going to show you another part of here in a second. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. Other vlogs, they weren't the best. And I had some music over some of it because it would have gotten really boring from the start in some parts because certain parts needed to be that way in a lot of senses. But right now, what I'm doing is I am in one of the what's it called? I'm in one of the many local parks near my area, and this is a place I actually run a lot. Some people that live in this area will actually know where I am, but here we are. But it's really, really nice. And we're gonna go up a trail in the background. But yeah, the way I edited that was the best. I don't have an editor right now. My computer needs to be fixed. I'm using my mom's computer whenever I upload right now. So that's the reason being it's not so great because I use a random I use that YouTube editing system, which is not the best. I would even, surprisingly, I would have even went with the dreaded Windows Movie Maker than this, but I couldn't find it on the PC. So, anyways, here I go. I'll tell you guys another part. Once again, everything is similar and the same, but every part is a little bit different. Different inclines, different movement, but you're essentially going up and down. The cool thing about this trail is that literally you're going up and down in elevation, so you're getting a version of a high intensity workout, high intensity interval training, if you're wondering, or your hilt. Because you're getting different versions of different pressures. High intensity, low intensity, high intensity, low intensity, lower intensity, etc. Even just walking it is actually quite good of a workout. Of course, I'm not tired because I'm not really running it, But even if I run it, it doesn't really bother me because I've ran this a lot of times. But I know some friends of mine that will do so much better at this. Which reminds me, if you're watching this, if you ever watch this friend who might know what I'm talking about, Jose, he would do so well in this. That's a friend of mine that nobody knows, of course, except people that know me well. But Jose, my gosh, he would kick my butt in this. Because he's a really good runner. Back in high school, and I bet he still does it now, but he's told me he probably doesn't anymore. But when he ran, he would run and he would already be halfway done with the first lap. Within a four lap 1 mile run. And you'd just be like, what the heck? And everybody else would be a little behind. I would be one of the ones that would be a little behind. But yeah, he would kick my butt. Okay, somebody's in here. I don't want to do that. I just ran into a runner of probably one of the old high schools, or maybe she was around my age, but nonetheless, this is a great run to run. I just didn't want to get her on camera because it was just, it'd be really, really random. And she was running really, really well, so that means she's trying to PR, she's just trying to get a good workout. I don't want to mess up her workout because she might get mad at me, And also, I understand people's privacies and whatnot, so of course. Anyways, so sorry about that random timing where I had to stop the video. I'm definitely going to need the grass later to clean off all the mud that actually accumulated on my shoes, even when I try and avoid it. I remember a friend of mine or somebody would actually go up this or go down this every now and then. At least what I kind of know, but I'm not fully sure at the moment. But at least it's an old memory. But like, if you were to like put your foot here, right, and you go all the way up, you would need a lot of good traction, and you would really need to hold yourself. I would not condone anybody to do that because that's not right. Also, it's considered cheating as far as trails go, but some people are daring. But it almost looks like a trail you could actually run. Anywho, that's just my random ramble right now. Alfonso's random rambles. Yeah, some of you guys, especially the ones that actually don't run this run, might think that this is an easy run. If you've done some exercise back then you should be somewhat able to do these type of exercises. But if you've never done enough exercise in order to get to the right fitness level, I would not recommend running this really fast. I would also recommend that you take your time. Really, this shouldn't take a long time for this run. But like I said, if you're still learning how to exercise or how to be a runner or how to, get up to the right fitness level, this is definitely something that you want to be careful of. Right now, if you're looking right now, this is a little bit of some pictures of some of the semi or somewhat rich houses near this trail. Also, I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is the 280 that we're passing. Yeah, this is the 280. One of the many freeways in this part of NorCal. once again, a whole bunch of tree debris that they have to cut down. It's not, I don't exactly like it when they do this. And now we're getting up to the peak, and it's getting a little chilly. For most people it'd be chilly. For me it doesn't really become chilly at all. Excuse me. Oh shoot, okay. Excuse me for that sound. That must have been gross. Give me a second. And I'm back. Alright, so this is actually surprising. There's usually more trees here. Like I've said, probably a billion times already in this video. But you can see how, it can be very much lush and very much pretty and very much interesting. Nonetheless, as much as I don't like that they did that, if we really look now you can see more of the 280 and more of some of the scenery. So this is not the view that I'm showing you right now. This is not the complete view. Because they decided to take out a lot of the trees, I guess you get a bonus view. At least you get a bonus view. Alright. Climbing up. We just reached the peak. And look, we're way up high now. Alright. Sorry. Gotta hold it a specific way so that you can see better. And we're gonna go straight to a view. In a few. Alright. Alright. Let's see here. We have to go. Trying to remember at the moment. Here's the reason I wouldn't be running with this. As you can already see, I'm not even going really fast, and it would already be very jumbled. But because I'm doing that, I'm only doing this for a second just to show you why I wouldn't, unless I speed it up. But I don't have that function, I don't think, on that editor. I could go a different route. Okay, this is one of the ways to show it. There's like a few different places that people tend to walk to show the view. Each one shows a little bit different. Some a little bit more than others. But here is part of one of the views. Now imagine this. You're stressed out, you're not feeling so great, you're dealing with a lot of problems and other things. Wouldn't this be nice to look at and just enjoy on your own, just for a little bit? This is like a mini tourist attraction in a way too. In a way. You could be one of those people sipping wine, if you're old enough, that is. Or you could be one of those people drinking, a 7-Up. Maybe some water. Maybe some fruit juice. maybe some root beer or something that you like drinking, and just chilling, looking at the fauna and all the different plants. Just lovely. Just want to see if I can get a little bit of that. Oh man, my zoom is not good enough. Darn it. Well, nonetheless, it's a really nice way to look at the view. These are different parts of NorCal. This is the what some people might call suburbs parts of NorCal. At least some of them. And let's see here. What is this? Oh, okay. I know some of these people that are on here. Oh, a teensy bit. But, or at least I have friends that know these people. But this is cool. They added some things here. Sit, relax, read, enjoy the day. In loving memory of Jim and Mary Kelly and Bob Wells, best man from the Kelly family, 2014. Okay, wait a second, no. Might be a different person, but nonetheless, you know, it's nice to just see that, you know. They recognize different people. And it's nice that they, you know, change it every now and then. This used to be a different part. I think somebody else once had it in memory before. But still really, really nice. If you're wondering, I'm a little bit tired, so it's kind of at the moment, but that's what we call a lot of studying and just a lot of, you know, other things. Anyways, this is a cool place to just, you know, chill. In fact, this is great too. Just this little piece area. You get to see the view, you get to see a few other things, and at the same time, if you wanted to, you can go and, you know, have the grill, heat up some food, play some volleyball. Actually, wait a second. Forget it. This is connected to where I think it is. Yeah, this is connected to where I think it is, but I'm not gonna videotape that. But over here, if you see it a little bit, there is a park. So this is part of the park area. This is one of the many Junipero parks. One of the many Junipero parks. Here we go again. This is going a little bit down, but this to me is one of my best of the views, in my personal opinion. Very, very, very nice. I love it. Oh, okay, I'm sitting down a little bit. Oh. Alright, so, as you can see, this is a really nice area to be running. What the heck? Okay, I definitely need to clean my legs when I get back. After my actual run. But anyways, look. So nice. If you're wondering, there's the big hill that goes down. Be careful if you ever find this trail. It's one of the Junipero trails. But yeah. So in a specific part of SB area, as I tend to call this area. If you're wondering, I'm sitting right now. Yes, that is my shoes and the socks. And there is the tape that I was talking about earlier. It's starting to wear out now. But I will be cleaning these shoes very soon. And taking off this tape very soon. If you're wondering, this is wool socks. Now I'm just going to be quiet for a moment. Just listen to the sounds. Minus my sniffles. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Alright. Time to just chill. In fact, that's just nice. Great. A good way to take away the sounds. But yeah, very, very nice. Just a very, very chill, calm place. I'm gonna take a few minutes here, but I hope you guys enjoyed some time. I don't want to get any children's voices in here, but yeah, just see, kind of, you know. All right, let's go. Once again, greenery. If you're listening to the vlog closely and saw some of the things I showed, does anybody remember what these are called? If you know, comment down below. Alright. On second thought, I don't think I'm gonna run it. I decided to jog/walk it. But I think I just wanted to take a, you know, simple, general, quick break. There's a reason being for it, because it's a little too muddy, and It's actually at a time that I probably should have came a little earlier, because it's during a time when it gets a little bit dark. It's not daylight savings or one of the time zones. You know what I'm talking about. We haven't started that yet, but hopefully by the time that happens, this should be more sunny, and we should have more light, and then I can show you more. Also, because it's a little bit watery and whatnot, a little too watery actually. I mean, we do need it. Northern California does need it, but at the same time, it's a bit too much, because it's like, it's harder to run in these conditions, and I usually run in these conditions usually, but I'm like, I just wanted to have a chill vlog. So I might end it right here, unless I'm doing something, but I hope you guys really like this vlog. This is a very simple vlog. Very, very simple vlog. Tell me what you guys like about it. Is it nice? Is it fun? Is my commentary a little bit too much? I mean, I'm just telling a little bit of memories. It's almost like a very general, I forget the exact English term for it, but if you guys know what I'm talking about, please comment down below what English term am I thinking of. I don't think it's biology, or, no, not biology, biography, biology, what, okay, I sound very, I sound like I'm sounding stupid with the way I'm saying things. I'm so sorry, you guys. Shows how tired I am. But, yeah. It's not exactly biography, but it can kind of be one. But, if you guys know the exact term, please comment down below. This shows that I'm pretty busy with some of my stuff. And, of course, when that happens, sometimes you're kind of like out of it. But a lot of studying for one of my exams. I have a mathematics exam this Tuesday, and then I have another exam on, I think, Saturday, starting Saturday and ending on, so wait, if it's the 13th that it ends, so 12, probably like around the 11th to the 13th is my exam, and it's an oceanography exam. So I've been busy, other than streaming and other than doing other things that I need to do. We call it, I'm usually studying always. I take breaks, of course, and that's usually my streaming or just me just chilling a little bit. But yeah, nonetheless, I've got those two exams. And yeah. Oh wow, now it just reminded me of something. Like I probably said in one of my videos, or one of the videos you've seen recently last semester, I miss you, friend. I really do. And if you guys are wondering who I'm talking about, it's two friends actually, but more so one that I have known, longer than the other one. But, Alex, I really do miss you, dude. I think I might do a poetry stream a little bit later today, because I was randomly thinking in my head, what can I do for not only fun but also because I feel like it, and I did a poem for you and Michaela. If anybody knows what I'm talking about, this is from the Oakland fire. If you guys heard on the news about it, the ghost ship fire. And I basically used a lot of my own emotions and made a very simple well, not a very simple. I made a few simple and a few very critical poems that I made, and they are for you guys. I really miss you guys. You guys are looking above, from above, looking down at us and seeing, what's happening. And I totally can see why, Man. Can't believe it. It hasn't even been that long, and it's almost a year already. In a way. Yeah. Because this happened sometime in December when they passed away. Sorry to put the downer on the vlog a little bit near the end, but I had to because it just came into my head. I think that's another thing, I guess. Although I've already, did my grievances and all my other things, so of course, I'm I've already moved on, so to speak. But every now and then it tends to come back because it's still very new and fresh for a lot of people. Anyways, I am rambling, and you guys probably don't really care too much unless... Is it raining? Yep, it's raining. A little bit. But only a few people will actually know what I'm talking about. Anyways, let me walk out of here, and then pretty much we end the vlog. I was going to end it earlier, but I had a whole bunch of things that came to my head. Alright. This shows I probably should get back to the casa. Raindrops are falling on my head. Da 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 da. I don't know if anybody gets the reference. If you do, good job for you. Yeah, I chose. Sorry about that, you guys. Apparently, a random thing was playing on my phone. Sorry about that. Recording? Yeah, it's recording. But if you're wondering, it's raining! So I'm probably going to end it right here. And I chose the right time to not run then. Because it gets much harder of a... Oh, there you go. Whew. Oh, hailing! Oh! Okay. I mean, I don't mind. It's very small little pebbles of hail and water. Little small pieces of hail and rain. But, yeah, looks like the hemispheres and the rain have finally changed up again. One side of this area is raining and hailing, and the other side is all clear. I'm back on the clear side now, so I'm not getting rained on. Wow, looks like somebody decided to leave. Looks like that house is getting redone. Very nice. Alright, I'm gonna see you guys in the next vlog. Bye! Hello, you guys. Well, I just got back home. Alright, let's see here. There's not much to eat right now. Okay, this is backwards. Oops. But, and I just stopped it there. That was embarrassing.
I make mac and cheese.
And that's my mom's voice saying the mac and cheese, so she's gonna make that for me. I'm greatly appreciative of that. Let's see here. So, we've got some onions with some water. Apparently onion water. I don't know if my mom's gonna add anything to this to make it more tasty than just onions and water. Unless you're having one of those random soups. And then some rice. Really nothing here right now. I would put this in the oven right now if my mom would do that, but all we have is vegetables, which is great. I always eat vegetables. And that's about it for now. Alright. I'm gonna go and do a few things, and then I'll see you guys. I already ended the vlog, but I decided to keep it going a little bit longer. Give me a second.